Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm here today to show you how you can create your first dashboard on SuperBrain and how to play around with different widgets on the dashboard. On top of the screen, you can toggle on and off the dashboard menu on the left. Double-click the dashboard name, and you can edit and rename the dashboard. Let's call this one My Brand Online. Next, we will create our first table. Again, you can rename the table by double-clicking the name. Write down the new name and press Enter. It's important that you press Enter. On the top right-hand side corner, you can find the icons that let you manage your widget. Export widget, refresh data, add comparisons, settings, and remove widget. Now to get started, we will need to click the settings icon and choose the source of data, in this case Google Analytics. The account, which property, profile, and segment we want to look into, and then we select the dimensions and the metrics. You don't have to choose the dimensions, but it's mandatory to choose at least one metric. Let's choose the medium from the dimensions and a few metrics. There. Next, we want to choose the date. Click the date picker and you will get a rather useful date picker that shows you the week numbers. Lets you browse by month, year, and even longer slots of years if you would need to. If we wanted, we could also migrate between two Google Analytics accounts, but we will show that later. Now we have chosen our date range, click Save, and we have our first widget ready. Data is collected directly from Google Analytics, and no data is saved on our server. Here you may toggle or sort the data by columns if you wish. When you have created a dashboard that you like, you should save it. And if you wish, you could also share it by clicking Share Dashboard on the top menu. Next, we want to create a superscore table to view the performance of our cohorts. Click Superscore on top, rename it, and choose your settings. Here you can see a new icon called Preferences. Click the Preferences and you can choose the KPI Smart features. Look at the KPI and choose whether it is good or bad when the KPI is higher than your normal behavior. SuperBrain will use a learning algorithm to automatically show you if your KPI is performing better or worse than your normal behavior. Next, we want to click on the comparison icon to gain more comparable data. On the comparison settings, we can choose the profiles we want to compare with. Choose as many as you need and then press Save. Now you have a very visual superscore table that tells you immediately color-coded map of your cohort performance. Green is good, orange is normal, and red is bad. Did you know that you can also relocate and move the widgets around the dashboard, and resize the widgets if you wish to find the most suitable dashboard layout of your choice? Just remember to click Save Layout once you're satisfied.